On point. Understanding a trendy English phrase. Hello dear learners. Today, we're going to explore a popular English phrase, on point. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, its origins, and how to use it confidently in your own conversations. Let's dive in. The phrase, on point, is an informal way of saying that something is precisely right, perfect, or excellent. When you say something is on point, you are complimenting it, saying it meets the expected standards or even exceeds them. Examples: your fashion sense is always on point. The chef's dish was on point. Every bite was delicious. While today we use the term in various contexts, the phrase, on point, has origins in ballet. In ballet, dancers are often required to stand on the tips of their toes, a position known as being en point. Over time, this idea of precision and excellence was adopted into the broader language, and on point began to describe anything that was deemed perfect or excellent. Using on point in everyday conversation is quite simple. You can use it to compliment someone's appearance, performance, ideas, or anything that impresses you. Here are a few examples to guide you. 1. Your presentation today was on point. Well done. 2. The singer's voice was on point throughout the concert. 3. For the party, make sure the decorations are on point. It's essential to remember that on point is a compliment. So, when you use it, you're praising or expressing admiration for something or someone. There you have it. The phrase, on point, is a fun and trendy way to offer praise and acknowledge excellence. Whether you're talking about fashion, food, or performances, this phrase can add a modern flair to your conversations. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, keep your English learning on point. Until next time,